friends, welcome to my channel Aksh Moments. So today is just so windy and we just came to this plants nursery. Let's just go and explore. It's just too windy right now. Come Shreya, come go. Come. Look at this good plants. Triangle plant. Triangle. Oh. We can buy these plants, but how can we buy like this big plants? That's humongous. Let's explore. Oh, okay. Come, let's go. Come, let's explore. There's just so much plants. Oh, thank God we are in a shelter. Now we'll not get cold. Look, we are inside a shelter. We got shelter. Still wind is trying to blow us. Oh, look guys, look, Christmas tree.
This?
Yes, that's a Christmas tree.
That is bigger like yours.
I know, but this is a Christmas tree. We can keep decorations and star in the top. Guys, look, we can buy these plants. This is my favorite one.
That's not your favorite one.
Yes, I love these. But look how many plants. Guys, I found flowers. Flowers, come. Look, flowers. Look at flowers. Wow, pink color, red color, yellow.
This is small. This is cactus flower.
Yes, what is this? Guys, so many pots. No, guys, this is so many flower pot. Look.
This is kachapati.
No, flower pot.
And this is kachapati.
Plants are indoor, so that's why they have made a shelter for it. And so whenever we want, we can just take an indoor plant and keep it inside our home. Friends, but outdoor plants are outside with the blowing wind, cold. And guys, look, these are all the outdoor, but they made a little shelter so the plants don't fall down because some are so big. Plants full of nature and it's just big nursery. Oh yeah, purple flowers. Wow. Smell it. Wow.
Let's smell the purple one again.
Yeah, let's smell the purple one. Here. This smells so good.
How so good?
Whoa, smell this.
It's actually good.
I like it. Come here. Oh, red flowers. Red. Come. Smell this. Wow. Guys, look, we found a small little cat. He's so cuddly. He loves us.
Hand, but
Oh. Meow.
you see.
Bye.
Bye, cat.
Okay, let's explore. And we're gonna collect more plants like this. Okay, give me. I'll take it.
I'll show you that a plant.
Explore this section. Yeah.
I like it.
Guys, look this one. Oh, our cat followed us. Good kitty.
He forgot.
Look, some flower. Come here.
He's coming there.
Yes, she's coming with us because she's a good cat.
See.
Come. And rose. And our cat is still following us. Look, very nice roses. Wow. That's a vibe. Oh, looks like a bird. Look this part. Toing.
Come color. She's very nice now.
Yeah, because she's a good kitty. Yeah.
Color.
Good. Aloe vera.
She's very nice. Don't be.
Let her. She's just a cat. Oh, another cat. Come. Wow, this is a good area. Come. Let's go here.
Are you okay?
So guys, here are different kinds of plants and flowers, and so there we can take size spots, and so let's just explore. Oh, I see indoor area. Let's check out that area. Come Snare. Guys, our cat and a different cat is just fighting over there. Let's leave her. Come. Guys, look, indoor area. Come. Wow. Look at these good plants.
Nice.
Look at the pots we can take. Look, pots. Look, cactus.
Cactus.
They're sharp.
That's pointy. Yeah, also cactus.
Yeah, only one but. Okay, let's go back. Come. Yeah. Hey, come here, guys. There's an area. Come on. Come on. Guys, come on. Wow. Wow. That's so good. Look at these plants. Look at this. So nice plant. So good.
Leave.
I want it.
Leave it.
Okay, I'll keep it here because it's my favorite plant. Any indoor plants? Come on. Let's go and check. Come on. Wow. Look at this. What? What? Cactus. I want cactus.
You know this one.
I want this one.
That one?
Yes.
What's your favorite? Too much spice.
This no spike. Look.
Yeah, small one.
Yes, small.
Tiny one.
Can I take?
Yeah, you can.
How much?
How much he will that manager with?
Oh. Okay, guys. Let's purchase this. Small cactus? Okay. Okay. Look, so small. Oh, we didn't see further.
Further?
Wait, here. Look, flowers. This one is the nice one. Come, let's go out. Oranges. We can't feel it, but it's so good. Look, guys, look, more oranges. So, what is that? Mini orange? Guys, look, small oranges. Orange, hai? Mast hai. Is it full grown or small?
Full grown.
This much only?
Yes.
Maybe this is very orange. Okay. Hi, kitty. Look more. What plant is this?
See, orange.
Orange?
Yeah.
Okay. So many oranges. This has to be lemon.
No, different type of orange.
Many types of orange, I guess. Lemon. Some are oranges, some are lemon. So hard to guess, guys. Okay. Look how small. So cute. but they're spikes, small spikes, not very big, small. Wait, I want this. It's so cute. इनमें से एक ले ले. Wow, the best.
Nice.
Guys, look, I'm gonna touch the cactus with my bare hands.
Skin.
Look. Is this good flower, guys? You also want this one? You want this one? Take. Choose from here. Here are small plants. You want this? Take. You want this one? Okay. I'll take for you. There you go. Take. I'll change this and take the red one. This one. This looks. नहीं हमको भी ये कितना अच्छा है. Jasmine. This is jasmine maybe. Fine, let's go. Yeah, I just want plants. I love plants. Plants is full of nature. Oh, I want these two plants. Plants, and so if you enjoy my video, like and subscribe my channel. Aksh, see you in the next video.
Bye.